I'm Kevin, and today we're going to do fried pickles. Fried pickles go awesome when you got some beer. If you're at a microbrewery, we always love to order fried pickles, but these aren't your ordinary fried pickles. We're going to do these on the Blackstone and the shallow fry. So before I tell you everything about it, let's go inside and I'll show you how to prepare them. Okay, these fried pickles are going to be fried in egg rolls with some Havarti cheese. We got our pickles right here. I like to put them on a paper towel and kind of get the moisture off of them. You don't have to get totally carried away with it, but just get the extra juices off. Then you just get your egg roll. And again, like my chicken egg roll recipe, just put a little bit of water on 2 of the corners. Just like that, it helps it seal. And then you lay your piece of Havarti cheese. And I like to just place it right there in the corner. And then when you get your pickle, if the pickles are too big for your egg roll, let me grab a knife. Just cut, a little bit off, maybe an inch or whatever amount you need to cut off to make it fit in the egg roll. Then you just fold up the point, bring in the ends, just like this. And then when you roll it, you kind of want to make sure that the little corner things are pushed down so that nothing leaks out when you're frying them. And you just roll it up like this. It's that simple. So we'll speed things up. And since we're doing fried pickles, it's only appropriate and perfect timing that we do a mail call. My mail call today is from Pickles Barbecue. Check this out. Okay, so it's been a while since we've done a mail call. I haven't received very many stickers, so I do have I have a few magnets. If anybody wants one, I do have a limited supply. Just email me at kevin@ManKitchenRecipes.com with your address. If you have stickers, I'll let you know to send me the stickers. I'll give you my address too, because hey, if you got stickers, I'll take them. They'll go on my beer fridge right here. But this little magnet just sticks on just like that. You can remove it if you want to, move it, whatever. So today's mail call, I received a sticker from Charlie over at Pickles Barbecue. And this is his sticker right here. Charlie's been on YouTube a while. You should go over to his channel, check it out, like and subscribe over there. I'll leave a link down below to his channel. So we're going to add Charlie to our beer fridge. And we will put him, let me move some of these magnets, put him right there. So it's round, straight. Okay, there you go. Pickles Barbecue. Thanks, Charlie. Anybody wants a sticker, like I said, just email me, give me your information, I'll give you mine, and let's exchange some stickers. Okay, so that's how you put them together. Now let's get the Blackstone started. Just like that. The little oil bottles are empty, so I'm just going to add some oil on here so that we can shallow fry them. Going to shallow fry them on high. Okay, let's get these on there. This one here's not going to do so good. This one here's got an end open. You want to avoid that. But, we'll deal with it. Yeah. Okay, so you just want to let these go for a couple of minutes. And you do want to keep an eye on them. And when they do turn golden brown, just flip them over. Just like that. It's really simple on the Blackstone too. I just love this thing. Anyway, just let them go. It'll take a little bit. Okay, you want to get all the egg roll portions cooked. Like in the chicken egg roll video. Okay, I'm going to get these off of here. Get that all nice and golden brown. All sides. Look at that, nice and golden brown. Get one of these cut open. Look at that. Fried pickle and an egg roll with Havarti cheese. Okay, that's how easy it is. You roll the Havarti cheese, the pickle, in an egg roll, fry it up on the Blackstone. It was great with the beer. Love these. Not the first time. That is so good. Who would have thought that Havarti cheese and pickles go so good together? All right. I know I'm on an egg roll kick, but I had to make these for you too. So go out and get you some dill pickle spears, some Havarti cheese. Throw them on your Blackstone and enjoy. Yeah. All right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, hit the like and subscribe, ring the bell. We'll see you on the next video. Man.